myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today I take continuous topic my relationship between zeros and coefficient. We already done for a quadratic, now we done for cubic, and consider this example for better understanding of this relationship between zeros and coefficient. What is your question? Find zeros and check relationship between zeros and coefficient for given polynomial. So first of all you want to find the zeros of given polynomial. So first you should be write here your polynomial in variable x is x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4. Now find the zeros. How finding zeros? Take polynomial is equal to 0 and find the value of x. So let p of x is equal to 0. So x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we apply our factorization method. So common from all is not possible. Common by grouping is yes, this is possible. So take outside. So x cube and x square. So x square is common. So here x minus 1. Minus sign common. 4 and 4. So 4 common. So remaining here x, and whenever minus sign outside, inner sign will be changed. Now these two brackets are common because both are same. So x minus 1 remaining here x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now again factorize this if it is possible. So this is x minus 1, this is x square minus 2 square. That means its factor is x minus 2 and x plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now our zero product rules, x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to here plus 1, x is equal to here plus 2 and x is equal to here minus 2. These three are zeros of this given cubic polynomial. Now give its name alpha, beta and gamma. So let alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to plus 2 and gamma is equal to minus 2. Now check relationship between zeros and coefficient. So your first relationship is sum of zeros. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what is your alpha plus beta plus gamma here? 1 plus 2 plus minus 2. So this is 1 plus 2 minus 2. So this is 1. Now for coefficient. First of all you want to compare this with respect to ax square plus bx. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b. So here you should be write compare p of x with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b. So what is value of a here? 1. What is value of b here? Minus 1. What is value of c here? Minus 4. And what is value of d here? Plus 4. So this is by zeros we find sum of zeros. Now by coefficient. Sum of zeros by coefficient. What is your formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma's formula is minus b by a. So what is your b here? Minus 1. This is the minus of your formula. What is your a here? 1. So minus minus plus and 1 by 1 is 1. So this answer and these answers are equal. That's why sum of zeros by zeros and coefficients are qualified. That's why check the relationship between zeros and coefficient. For first case it is proved. Now for second. What is your second relationship between zeros and coefficient? Product of zeros. So now for second, product of zeros. Alpha into beta into gamma. What is your alpha? 1. What is your beta? Plus 2. What is your gamma? Minus 2. Plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. Now by coefficient, product of zeros is, what is your formula? Minus b by a. So minus formula as it is, and instead of b you should be write its value 4. A की value 1. So this is minus 4. Now these and these answers are equal. That's why relationship is verified. Now for third. Sum of zeros of coefficient. That means sum of zeros, sum of product of zeros. Sum of product of zeros, which is equal to alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. Now put corresponds value. Alpha is 1, so 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1. So this is 2 minus 4 minus 2. So this is 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 4. Now according to our coefficient, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is C upon A. So this is C upon A. So what is the value of C? Minus 4. What is the value of A? Is 1. So minus 4 by 1 is minus 4. So these and these answers are equal. That's why relationship is verified. So by this way you can check the relationship of cubic polynomial, and from previous video you can check relationship between for quadratic polynomial. Thank you.